Hello kids. Today we are going to see noun, singular noun and plural noun. Let's see the introduction. We call different people, things, animals and places by their names. Without name, it will be very difficult for us to talk or write. So, names are very important. In English, the words which help us naming people, places, animals and things are called naming words or noun. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. Here we are going to see about singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun. A noun that names one person, place, animal or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a house, a cat, a chair. Plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, houses, cats, chairs. Here there is more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal and more than one thing. So these are all called as plural noun. We have 9 basic rules for plural nouns. We'll see rule number 1. Add yes to form the plural of the nouns. Book, books. Bag, bags. Pen, pens. These are all the examples that we add yes to form the plural of the nouns. Rule number 2. Add es to the nouns that end in ch, sh, yes, x or z. Bench. Here the word ends with ch. So we should add es to its plural form. Benches. Dish. Here the word ends with sh. So we are adding es to its plural form. Dishes. Bus, yes is the last word, so we are adding es to its plural form. Buses. Box, x is the last word, so es to its plural form. Boxes. Same wise for quiz, quizzes. These are all the examples that we add es to the nouns that end in ch, sh, yes, x or z. Rule number 3. For the nouns that end in y with the consonant before the y, remove the I and add ies. Pony, n is a consonant before y, so we are adding ies to its plural form. Ponies. Same ways, baby, babies. Candy, candies. These are all the examples for the noun that end in y with the consonant before the y. We are removing the y and adding ies to its plural form. Rule number 4. For nouns that end in y with a vowel before the y, just add yes. Monkey, here e is a vowel before y, so we are adding just yes to its plural form. Monkeys. Key, keys. Boy, boys. These are all the examples for the nouns that end in y with a vowel before the y. If we have vowel before the y, we just want to add yes to its plural form. Rule number 5. For nouns that end in f or fe, remove the f or fe and add ves. For example, leaf. Here the last letter is f, so we are removing the f and adding ves to its plural form. Leaves. Wolf, wolves. knife, knives. These are all the examples for the nouns that end in f or fv. If the nouns end in f or fv, we are removing the f or fv and adding ves to its plural form. Rule number 6. For nouns that end with a consonant before o, we should add es. Tomato. Here T is a consonant before O, so we should add ES to its plural form, tomatoes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. These are all some of the examples for the nouns that end with a consonant before O. If the noun ends with a consonant before O, we should just add ES to its plural form. Rule number 7. For nouns that end with a vowel before O, we should add yes. Gangaru. Here O is a vowel before O, so we are adding just yes to its plural form, gangaroos. Radio, radios. These are all some of the examples for the noun that end with a vowel before O. We are just adding yes to its plural form. Some nouns do not follow the same rule and are called as irregular nouns. We'll see the irregular nouns in rule number 8 and rule number 9. Some nouns change spelling when they become plural. For example, tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Man, men. Foot, feet. Children, have you all seen some of the nouns that change the spelling when they become plural? Rule number 9. Some nouns do not change when they are in plural form. For example, sheep, sheep. Singular is also sheep, plural is also sheep. Fish, fish. Similarly, deer, deer. These are the 9 basic rules for plural noun. Hope you should have understood, kids. That's all for today's session.